this video, I'm going to share my review of the Marival Distinct Luxury Residences and World Spa in Riviera Nayarit in Nuevo Vallarta, Mexico, which is an amazing 4-diamond all-inclusive resort. My name is Marilee Blair, and I've been to 56 countries, so my goal is to bring you those peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the Marival. Marival Distinct Luxury Residences and World Spa in Riviera Nayarit is near Puerto Vallarta. It's a standout destination for travelers seeking a luxurious, spacious, and personalized vacation experience. I went with my husband and our friends for the first time in May 2014 and was so impressed. We were welcomed with welcome drinks right as we checked in. And then I came back and stayed here for work multiple times for 6-day, 5-night trips from 2015 to 2019. And I always stayed in the 1-bedroom residence suite, which is a very large 1,410 square foot room. There is a kitchen with soft drinks in the fridge, a private dining area, and a spacious living room, 2 bathrooms, 1 king bed and a sofa bed, 2 TVs, an outdoor terrace to sit and enjoy the view, and you can fit up to 4 people, and you'll get either a gorgeous garden or pool view. And remember, room service is part of the all-inclusive plan, which is great so you can enjoy food here too at the dining table or on the terrace. I want to come back to this resort so I can stay in the 1-bedroom suite with an infinity pool so bad. So if you can afford to do that, I would recommend doing that. And if you need a bigger suite, you can always choose bigger residences to accommodate you and your travel companions. Now here are the top 10 reasons to enjoy this resort. Number 1, spacious and home-like accommodations. The resort offers large residential-style accommodations including 1 to 4 bedroom suites and villas. These are perfect for families, groups, or couples seeking extra space and privacy. Units also include full kitchens, dining areas, living rooms, and private terraces, with some offering those plunge infinity pools or rooftop patios. This setup makes it ideal for extended stays or travelers wanting a home away from home vibe. And you also get access to the other Marival resort, Marival Emotions by golf cart to enjoy their restaurants, pools, beach views, and shows. Number 2, gourmet dining and drink options. The resort features several restaurants offering gourmet cuisine. Some of the highlights include Amiajo, where there's international flavors in a stylish garden setting. There's Insu Sky Lounge with rooftop dining with panoramic views, with the infinity pool there, and small plates and amazing cocktails. There's also Lemongrass, which is the poolside grill serving casual yet elevated dishes. And Brunello, it's an experience of the art of toasting with the finest wines and beverages at the Brunello Wine Bar. And you can also access restaurants and drinks at the other Marival Emotions, like I mentioned. Number 3, exclusive beach club and pools. Marival Distinct provides access to an exclusive beach club just a short shuttle ride away. It offers a serene atmosphere with luxury loungers, attentive service, and gourmet beachside dining, making it a more upscale and private experience compared to public beaches. They also have 5 swimming pools with a wide range of amenities, from a swim-up bar to games to the little ones to have fun like never before. Number 4, family-friendly amenities. It's perfect for families. The resort offers spacious accommodations with multiple bedrooms and fully equipped kitchens. A kids club also provides entertainment for younger guests, allowing parents to relax and have a date night. They also have babysitting services available. Number 5, luxurious wellness experience. Their World Spa offers unique treatments inspired by global traditions with such amazing spa therapies. There's also a hydrotherapy circuit and couple spa suites for romantic wellness experiences if you're celebrating a honeymoon, anniversary, or just want to share this with your loved one. Number 6, activities and concierge services. An in-house adventure concierge helps guests arrange tailored excursions, including activities like zip lining, whale watching, swimming with the dolphins, sea lions, cultural tours, and so much more. On-site, guests can enjoy yoga classes, cooking workshops, and live entertainment. Number 7, high-end all-inclusive experience. While many resorts focus on quantity, Marival Distinct emphasizes quality. The all-inclusive package features gourmet dining, top-shelf drinks, and premium in-room amenities. Number 8. Tranquil and upscale atmosphere. Unlike larger, more crowded resorts, Marival Distinct focuses on offering a boutique-like, tranquil atmosphere with personalized service. Staff-to-guest ratios are high, ensuring attentive care. Number 9. Prime location in Riviera Nayarit. Nestled in the quieter upscale area of Nuevo Vallarta, the resort is close to picturesque beaches, local markets, and top attractions like Sayulita and Punta Mita. It's also just a 20-minute drive from Puerto Vallarta International Airport, making it very convenient yet secluded. Number 10. Sustainable and community-oriented. The resort is committed to sustainability, including eco-friendly practices and partnerships with local communities. Guests looking for a green luxury vacation will appreciate this aspect. So I give the Marival Residences 5 stars for all it had because it combines the comforts of a luxury residence with the benefits of an all-inclusive resort. The quality of the food stands out compared to a lot of all-inclusives. It's definitely my favorite of all the all-inclusives I've ever been to. The pools are gorgeous and it feels more intimate than a larger resort with the best customer service. Plus, the large suite rooms are my absolute favorite here, again compared to other all-inclusive I've stayed at. And if you need more options and want that big resort feel, again, you get to access the other Marival resort, which is Marival Emotions by Golf Cart, to enjoy their restaurants, pools, beach views, club, bars, and entertainment shows. This resort just provides that intimate, unforgettable, luxurious experience. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the Marival Distinct Luxury Residences and World Spa. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my Vedanta, Grand Lux Nuevo Vallarta, and Planet Hollywood Cancun YouTube videos that people enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels and see you next week.